Good morning children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class we have learned the lesson 2, the golden mangoes. All of you understood the lesson? All of you read the chapter well? Yes. Then I told you to write the words with the meanings given in your page number 15, 16 and 17. I hope all of you have done all these in copy. Okay? Then next, in the online class I have told you to do this as homework, that is page number 15, given some symbols. Some symbols are given there. Speak a line or two line on the symbols of India. That is also you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, first you draw or paste the pictures of these symbols. First symbol is a flag. This is our national flag. You have to write, this is our national flag. It has three colors. Okay, on the top saffron, white in the middle and green at the bottom. Then second, this is the picture of our national animal. Bengal tiger is our national animal. Then next, this is hockey stick. Our national game is hockey. Then next, this is a peacock and our national bird is peacock. Then this is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. This is mango and mango is our national fruit. Okay, like this you have to write a sentence or two sentences about this in classwork. Then next, all of you take out your exercise page number 18. Fill in the blanks. A and B given there. Okay, first fill in the blanks. I will read that. The king was dash for having such a dash advisor. At last, the king was very happy now. For what? For having a wise advisor. So you can write like this, two dashes are there. So first dash thankful will come, second wise. The king was thankful for having such a wise advisor. Then second, question number 2, fill in the blanks number 2. King Krishnadevaraya had great dash for his mother. King Krishnadevaraya had great respect for his mother. Respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect for his mother. Then number 3, the Pandits dashed that the king should offer golden mangoes. The Pandits suggested means said. Okay, the meaning of suggested is told. The Pandits suggested, S-U-G-G-E-S-T-E-D, suggested. The Pandits suggested that the king should offer golden mangoes. Then number 4, Tenali Rama dashed all the golden mangoes from the Pandits. Tenali Rama returned all the golden mangoes from the Pandits. Returned, the word meaning of returns means given back. Tenali Rama returned, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned all the golden mangoes from the Pandits. Then number 5, Tenali Rama realized that the Pandits were dashed the king. Tenali Rama realized that the Pandits were cheating the king. Okay, actually the Pandits were very greedy now and they were cheating the king now by suggesting to offer golden mangoes. Okay, so all of you got the answer. Once again I will read all the answers. Number 1, two dashes are there. First, thankful and wise. Second is wise. Then second question, respect. Answer of the second is respect. Then answer of the third is suggested. Then fourth one is returned and fifth one is cheating. Okay, clear all of you? And this all of you have to do in your classwork copy. Then next is also a fill in the blanks. What does this tell you about the people in the story? Use the clues given in the box. How many clues are given there? 5 clues are given there. I will read the words. Terrified, orthodox, greedy, respect, wise. Okay, what is the word meaning of terrified? Terrified means frightened, afraid, scared. Okay, Then what is orthodox? Orthodox means very old fashioned. Old fashioned. Greedy. Greedy means, what is the word meaning greedy? That you call in Hindi lalach, no, greedy. Okay, we want more and more. That habit is known as greedy habit. Then what is respect? Respect means other. Okay, then wise. Wise means buddhi, buddhishali. Okay, then listen this. The Pandits asked for golden mangoes because they were dash. The Pandits asked for golden mangoes because they were greedy. Because they were greedy. The Pandits were very greedy people. Greedy. So first answer is greedy. Then second, the king's mother wanted to give to charity on auspicious occasions because she was orthodox. Because she was orthodox. Orthodox means old fashioned. That woman was old fashioned. No, that is why she believed in the act of charity. Then orthodox. Then number 3, the king was happy with Tenali Rama because he was wise. Okay, because he was buddhishali. So the king was happy to have Tenali Rama as his advisor because he was wise. Then number 4, the Pandits returned the golden mangoes because they were, the answer is terrified. Being frightened, the Pandits left the mangoes and went away now. So the answer is terrified. Terrified means frightened or scared. Then number 5, the king fulfilled his mother's wishes out of respect. The king fulfilled his mother's wishes at last, by calling the Pandits. So why? Because he was because he respect his mother. He loved his mother very much because of respect. Okay, the answer is respect. So clear this answer. Once again I will read the answers. Number 1, greedy. Number 2, orthodox. Number 3, wise. Number 4, terrified. Number 5, respect. Okay. So this fill in the blanks, both A and B, you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay. The next class I will explain the answer the following questions. Question answer I will explain in the next class. Okay. Bye. Okay.